Hi, welcome to this video. Connecting ChatGPT to Zapier allows you to automate tasks using OpenAI. So first of all, you need to head over to platform.openai.com/API keys. Again, platform.openai.com/API keys. And if you're new, you can just go ahead and create a new secret key and add a name, right? And the permission here. If you want it to be restricted, or for read only, you can go ahead and control that. So in my case, I just created one real quick, right? So I'm gonna hit the pencil here. You can see this is basically where I can edit my secret key and everything. So gonna go ahead and create a new one. So Zapier and hit create a new secret key. Now I'm gonna copy the API key and head over to Zapier, right? On the left side panel, you're gonna find app connections. Just go ahead and tap it. This side, we're gonna just create a new connection, search for an app. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead to ChatGPT, hit add connection, new window will pop up, add the API key, the organization ID. If your OpenAI account belongs to multiple organizations in the region, should be global. Then hit connect. And basically, that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.